Number 19. A construction firm receives 12 million pesos from a bank to build a new office building. The repayment schedule is linked to project completion. Type of loan: business loan, construction, financing. And then repayment terms: long term and tied to project completion. Requirements: project plan and company financials. Purpose: build office building. Interest rates: it's moderate. Number 20. A woman applies for a housing loan to purchase a condominium unit for her family. The repayment period is 20 years. The type of loan is a consumer loan, housing or mortgage loan. Repayment terms: long term, 20 years. Requirements: property documents or property proof of income. Purpose: buy condominium unit. The interest rate is low to moderate. MCQ for our quarter 4 numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 5, understanding business and consumer loans, characteristics, terms, and usage. MCQ number 1. Maria borrows 150,000 to renovate her bakery and buy new ovens. Which type of loan is this? A. Consumer loan. B. Business loan. C. Personal loan. D. Credit card loan. Number 2. A teacher applies for 50,000 to fund a family vacation. What is the most likely requirement for the approval? A. Business registration documents. B. Proof of employment and income. Letter C. Collateral. Letter D. Sales revenue records. Number 3. A company borrows 2 million pesos to expand production over 10 years. What type of loan is this? A. Consumer loan. B. Business loan. C. Credit card loan. D. Personal installment loan. Number 4. James borrows money to buy a car for personal use with a 5-year repayment plan. What kind of loan is this? A. Mortgage loan. B. Business loan. C. Auto loan, which is a consumer loan. Letter D. Requirement equipment loan. Number 5. A retail store owner borrows to purchase inventory before holidays, repaying after sales. This type of repayment is called A. Lump sum repayment. B. Deferred repayment. C. Installment repayment. D. Revolving credit. Number 6. A student applies for a loan to pay tuition fees with repayment starting after graduation. This is an example of A. Business loan. B. Consumer loan with deferred repayment. Letter C. Credit line. Letter D. Mortgage loan. Number 7. An entrepreneur borrows 5 million for commercial real estate development requiring collateral. This loan is A. Consumer loan, B. Business loan, C. Personal installment loan, D. Micro loan. Number 8. Anna uses a credit card to buy a laptop and plans monthly installment with interest. This type of loan is A. Business loan, B. Revolving credit, which is a consumer loan, C. Mortgage loan, D. Equipment loan. Number 9. A farmer borrows money from the government to buy seeds requiring proof of farm ownership. This loan is A. Business loan, B. Consumer loan, C. Personal loan, D. Educational loan. Number 10. A young professional borrows 100,000 pesos to furnish and equip an apartment, repayable over 3 years. This loan is A. Business loan, B. Consumer loan, C. Equipment loan, D. Real estate loan. Number 11. A logistics company borrows 10 million pesos to purchase delivery trucks tied to a future revenue. This is A. Letter A. Consumer loan. Letter B. Business loan. Letter C. Personal loan. D. Credit card loan. Number 12. A family applies for a mortgage to buy a house repayable in 15 years. This is A. Consumer loan, B. Business loan, C. Personal installment loan, letter D. Equipment loan. Number 13. A restaurant owner borrows 500,000 to cover operational expenses during slow months. What is a typical requirement? A. Personal credit report. B. Business financial statements. C. Proof of employment. D. Tuition fee receipt. Number 14. A nurse applies for a loan to consolidate credit card debts, and the bank checks mainly her credit history. This loan is A. Business loan, B. Consumer loan, C. Equipment loan, D. Commercial loan. Number 15. An IT company secures a 7-year loan to develop new software. Which characteristics is true? A. Short repayment term. B. Business purpose. C. requires proof of employment. D. No collateral needed. Number 16. A man borrows 20,000 pesos for hospital expenses at a higher than average interest rate. This is A. Business loan. B. Consumer loan. C. Equipment loan. D. Real estate loan. Number 17. A startup clothing brand borrows to import raw materials requiring a business plan. This is A. Consumer loan. B. Business loan. C. Personal loan. D. Credit card loan. Number 18. A parent borrows money to pay for a wedding with fixed monthly installments. This is an example of A. Consumer loan. B. Business loan. C. Equipment loan. D. Mortgage loan. Number 19. A construction firm borrows 12 million pesos to build a new office with repayment tied to project completion. This type of loan is A. Consumer loan. B. Business loan. C. Personal installment loan. D. Educational loan. Number 20. A woman applies for a 20-year loan to buy a condominium. Which of the following is true? Letter A. It is a consumer loan for housing purposes. Letter B. It is a business loan. Letter C. No repayment schedule is needed. Letter D. No proof of income is required. The answer key for our Quarter 4 Numbers and Algebra Lesson Roman numeral number 5, Understanding Business and Consumer Loans, Characteristics, Terms, and Uses. Number 1, the correct answer is letter B, business loan. Number 2, the correct answer is letter B, proof of employment and income. Number 3, the correct answer is letter B, business loans. Number 4, the correct answer is letter C, auto loan, consumer loan. Number 5, the correct answer is letter B, deferred repayment. Number 6, the correct answer is letter B, consumer loan with deferred repayment. Number 7, it's B, business loan. Number 8, it's B, revolving credit, consumer loan. Number 9, it's letter A, business loan. Number 10, it's letter B, consumer loan. Number 11, it's letter B, business loan. Number 12, it's letter A, consumer loan. Number 13, it's letter B, business financial statements. Number 14, it's letter B, consumer loan. Number 15, letter B, business purpose. Number 16, it's letter B, consumer loans. Number 17, it's letter B, business loan. Number 18, it's letter A, consumer loan. Number 19, it's letter B, business loan. Number 20, it's It is a consumer loan for the housing loan. And that's it for today's lesson. Thank you everyone. See you in our next lesson.